So this came packaged really nicely. It's come a long way and no dents or dings. Really good service. So what we've got in here, got some sort of intake pipe, a nice thick diameter, and this is some kind of aluminium steel. It is coated as well, nice texture finish on there as well. Fantastic, comes with instructions. And here we've got, this looks like the silicon pipe, silicon joiner. All the clamps are in there, it's like all the hardware's there. Quite a few bits and pieces, got some weight to it. Got another pipe here again. Got section there for, that's probably for a little sensor. Again, nicely coated. Got the actual filter. It's a big, good size filter. It's got the MST Performance logo on there. Wow. Last of all, we've got the actual heat shield. So you can see it's got some like foam, not foam, rubber around the edges so that made up to bonnet to give it a nice seal and won't damage it. Got a hole here for the actual kit coming through. And again, all solid metal and got a lovely texture on it. Like that. And the logo. Let's get all the bits and parts out then. There we go, we can see one of the intake pipes. Nice finish on the inside even. And again, that same texture black finish. Again, it's hard to see on the camera because it's so black, but same kind of finish. Right there for the sensor, you can see holes are already tapped. Wow, look at that. Nice filter. You can see, hopefully, there we go, see the MST logo. And a clamp for that as well. Now we've got the final bag. This is like adult Lego. Cleaning instructions to be done every 1 year or 20,000 kilometers. And then we've actually got a nice list of contents of what should be in there. And some instructions, all with photos. So that's going to be interesting. We'll see how this goes. MST air freshener. Here we've got MST silicon cuff gloves. Another clamp. Got a second coupler here. First one has kind of a beveled edge on it, like a reducer or goes up. The second one's just a straight pipe. Got an MST Performance keyring. Oh, an additional sticker. That's that. And then the final bit, we've got some of the hardware in here. Like a Z-shaped bracket. L-shaped bracket. Another Z-shaped bracket. These are all again finished in that textured finish. And then we have the assorted hardware. So looking in here, looks like we've got some black bolts as well. Got some little nipples almost. Quite nice little Allen key bolt.
If I let you into the secret